Okay, welcome back guys. This is the part 5 of library inventory project. In this video, we will be covering the edit functionality. I've already created 4 parts of this series wherein I've talked about this view functionality, the delete functionality, and addition of new book uh, to the local storage. So if you haven't watched that, I'll recommend you to watch that first before starting off with this video. So I will quickly close this and let's go inside our code. So there are some mistakes which we have done in part 3 and part 4. We'll quickly, resolve that. There was some minor, issues like there is this delete. We forgot to add E. Then here we forgot to close the tag. This, you can see here we forgot to close this td tag. You can see here the icon got shifted from this header action. So what we have to do is we have to close it, we have to save it, and let's see. Now this looks good. Okay, after this what we have to do is we have to go to the top and we have to just copy this view model which we have created in part 3. We have to copy and we have to paste below your body tag. Okay, give this id as model edit data. This will be book edit. This will be model close only, and after this book name correct, but this will be edit book name. Same way will be edit author, and you have to give this here as well. Okay, this will be edit book price, edit book quantity, edit book ISBN number, edit book publisher, and the last one will be edit book description. Once you're done with this, you have to give one more button here. Button type is equal to button id btn edit save class btn success. This, sorry, this will be your update button. This will be same model close button. You don't have to make changes for this button. Once you're done with this, you have to go to your script tag. Also we have given script tag like this. What you can do is you can create a new script.js file. Okay, go to your HTML, just copy all this thing, copy all this thing, and you can save it here. Save it, go to your HTML, here src script.js, save it, and if you'll see it will be the same as it was before. And after this, go to your script tag, and here you have to add this same thing here, because using this we will be getting the current index of an array. then on click is equal to single quotes update book details pop up, and here it will be this. Save it and just copy this one, go here, create the function same name, and here it will be update clicked value, add update book details is equal to parse int update clicked value dot dataset dot book details index, and after this will be dollar sign double quotes the thing which you have added in your HTML. This pop-up, for edit pop-up you have to add that there. Okay, book name here, hash book name dot val book details local storage update book details dot book name. Same way you have to create for other text inputs as well. For author name, so just copy this, paste it here, and this will be your book author. So guys, if you have confusion about this book author and book name, I'll tell you where it is coming from. It is coming from here. You know, we have declared this key value. It is coming from here. We are getting the current, you know, current index of an array, and from there we are getting the book name, book author, things like that. So after this, same way we have to do it for book price. This will be book price, and book quantity, we'll take it from there. This book quantity. Okay, so copy this. Okay, this will be ISBN number. Okay, after this, publisher, add it, book publisher, copy this, paste it, and the last one is book description, this one and this one. Let's save it And the last one, I guess, we have to show the model which we have created, dollar ID of that model, which we will get from here and paste it, dot show, save it, and let's see if we are able to see the data after clicking on this edit icon. So you can see this, we are getting the data. Let's go and check for this for ID 6. So now we are getting the selected data, but what we have to do is once we change something, for an example, if I delete 6 and I you know type a 7, and if I update this, the data should get saved as 7 and not as 6. So we have to do that, we have to update the data now. So what I'll do is I'll close this and I'll go to the code, and there's another function which we have to create here. This will be update book details data. Okay, so just copy this and paste it here. Now what we have to do is the array which we have created, array book details, will be update book details dot book name is equal to, just copy this till val and paste it here. Okay, after this, same way you have to do it for other details as well. For book author, and this will be your book author name. Copy this. For price we have to do, add this, and here it will be your price. Same way we have to do it for quantity. ISBN number, publisher, and last one, description. Here, and we have to call this function on the click of your update. So on click you have to call on the click of this update button. Okay, let's save it and let's see if it is working or not. Let's go for the sixth one, the data which have ID 6. Let's click on this and let's change it as 7, and let's click on update. Okay, there is some issue, I guess. Let's inspect, and on click book details data, we have added here, but we have to write this local storage dot set item, double quotes, book details JSON dot stringify. This will be your array book details. After this, book details local storage is equal to JSON dot parse local storage dot get item double quotes book details. And after this, what we have to do is we have to append that data to a table, and this will be book details local storage. Let's save it and let's see if it is working or not. I'll quickly click on this data which have book name as textbook 6. Let's change it to textbook 7 and let's update this. You can see this, the data got updated, but we were not able to close this model. So what we have to do is we have to again go here and we have to click here as in hide. We forgot this, I guess. Yeah, let's change this again. We have change it as a 7, so I'll go again and I'll click on 6 and I'll do this as 7. I'll do this as 8. This will be 9. This will be 10. This will be 11 and this will be 12. Let's update this. Okay, you can see the data got updated, but we are not able to see the description here because we haven't added, because it will take much more space. But if you click on the view button, you can see the data for description is also saved. So guys, that is it with the edit functionality. If I'll talk about the code which we have done, firstly we have created the model pop-up for edit, and on the click of this icon we are getting the selected data. So how it is happening is we have on the click on the click of this icon we are getting the selected index, which is from here we are getting the selected index which we are storing in the update book details. After that we are getting the data from an array of a selected index. So that is how we are getting the data and we are showing in a model pop-up. After that, on clicking on update button, whatever current index we have, like selected index we have, from there we are setting this input text field value into our array of an current selected index, and from there we are setting that array into our local storage, which is this, and the variable for local storage is this book details local storage. And after setting the local storage, we are getting that local storage again and we are appending into our table with the help of this function which we have created on the part 2. So guys, that is it with this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel and I'll be back with another video like this. Thank you.